Pemmican, a traditional survival food with roots in Native American culture, is gaining popularity among modern preppers. This nutrient-dense food was a staple for indigenous tribes and fur traders who needed a reliable, long-lasting source of energy during their travels. But what exactly is pemmican, and why should you consider it for your survival kit? Pemmican is a blend of lean dried meat, fat, and sometimes berries. The meat, often from bison, deer, or beef, is dried and pulverized into a powder. This is then mixed with rendered fat to create a dense, compact food that's packed with calories and nutrients. The addition of dried berries isn't just for flavor. It also adds a dose of vitamins and minerals, making pemmican a well-rounded source of sustenance. Because of its high fat content and low moisture, pemmican can last for years without refrigeration, making it an ideal food for long journeys or emergency situations. Making pemmican at home is relatively simple and requires only a few ingredients. Choose and prepare the meat. Start with lean cuts of beef, venison, or bison. Trim off all visible fat to prevent spoilage. Dry the meat. You can use a dehydrator or an oven set to a low temperature. The goal is to remove all moisture while preserving as much of the meat's nutrients as possible. Grind the meat into a powder. Once dried, grind the meat into a fine powder using a food processor or mortar and pestle. Render the fat. Slowly melt animal fat over low heat until it becomes a liquid. This process removes impurities and creates a stable fat known as tallow. Mix and mold. Combine the meat powder with the melted fat in a roughly 1-to-1 ratio. If desired, add dried berries to the mix for extra flavor and nutrition. Form the mixture into bars or small balls. Store properly. To maximize shelf life, store pemmican in airtight containers in a cool, dark place. When done correctly, pemmican can last for several years, providing a reliable source of nutrition. Pemmican is a fantastic option for preppers due to its long shelf life and high energy content. It doesn't require refrigeration, making it perfect for emergency situations where electricity may not be available. Its dense calorie count means a small amount can provide substantial energy, and it's lightweight, which is ideal for carrying in a bug-out bag or on long hikes. Today, pemmican is making a comeback not just among preppers, but also among outdoor enthusiasts and those interested in ancestral diets. It's an excellent option for backpacking, camping, or any situation where lightweight, high-energy food is needed. However, it's important to use quality ingredients and practice safe preparation methods to ensure the best nutritional value and safety. Pemmican is more than just a piece of history. It's a practical, nutritious food that's perfect for modern-day survival needs. Whether you're preparing for an emergency or planning your next outdoor adventure, consider adding pemmican to your food supplies. Give it a try and experience firsthand why this traditional food has stood the test of time.